welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are reviewing the Friday night wig, and I love her. She's so freaking cute. She's so curly and wavy, and she just looks like summer. But yeah, I'm late to where I'm supposed to be going. It's my friend's birthday dinner, and it's supposed to start at 8, and it's currently like 8:15. So yeah, I gotta go, but I just wanted to do an intro. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the wig before we actually start with the actual wig. So it is from Friday Night Hair. It is in the style GLS229, and all of their wigs come in the shade 1B. So she's super cute. Let me show you her. Hold on. Okay, so this is what she looks like. This is the color of the lace. The lace is super dark, really dark. I've never actually dealt with a lace this dark, so this is going to be a little bit challenging. And you can definitely see that the knots are there. So what I think I'm going to do with that part is just spray it or put some makeup on it, some foundation, but I'll show you in the video. But I just wanted to show you the construction of the wig before I actually plucked everything. So she does come with an elastic band, which I love. I'm just going to help keep the wig snug on your head. And she also has, how many combs? 1 in the nape and then 2 on the sides. Okay, so she has a total of 3 combs, which is cool too. But I just wanted to show you what she looked like before we play with her.